Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this cool explosive text effect in CapCut. So first you need to use a black background, then add the text that you want. Next, add text again and add every letter of the word. So the first one is T. Adjust the size and put it on top of the text, the letter on the word, like this. Now I'm going to copy and then add the second letter, E. Okay, I'm going to drag it in here. So do these steps for every letter. Okay, after that you can just adjust the letter, each letter to where you want the explosive effect to begin. So I'm going to trim the text like this, and after that on each letter add 2 keyframes like this. Okay, after you add keyframes you need to go to the second keyframe and rotate the letter and move it randomly like this. Okay, so it will go like this, and now in between the keyframes go to grab and then select the ease out one. Do this for every letter. Okay, so when you're done, now trim the full word before the explosive effect begins. So I'm going to trim until here, and after that export the video and open it in a new project. Now go to the video effect, nightclub, then select the play pendulum effect. Adjust the intensity to 35 and twist 0. Okay, and now add the second effect, video effect. Still on the nightclub category, select the rebound swing effect and adjust the size to 15. Okay, now lastly click on the clip and go to the motion blur. Set the blend and blur into 100 and the times twice. Click on the check icon. And now the motion blur has been applied, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.